Hey everybody, Spangle Vision here. I just wanted to point out that yesterday, October 4th, during Hillary's Town Hall meeting in Haverford, Pennsylvania, she's resorted to using child actors to further her narrative. Let me show you. The first 18 minutes of the Town Hall consisted of Elizabeth Banks kissing Hillary's ass, after which she decides she's going to take questions from the audience. Here you can see the very first question asked, and this is the question that all of the media is picking up.
Hi, Madam Secretary. I'm Brennan, and I'm 15 years old. At my school, body image is a really big issue for girls my age. I see with my own eyes the damage Donald Trump does when he talks about women and how they look. As the first female president, how would you undo some of that damage and help girls understand that they are so much more than just what they look like?
I'd like to thank the Academy.
I knew something was up immediately. I googled Brennan Leach and found an IMDb page that referenced a movie called Once Upon a Time, Trillium Vein. The IMDb page credits the production company as NPB Entertainment Group. I googled that, I found their LinkedIn page, and I also found this page which shows the address of the production company, located a mere 31 miles away from the Town Hall. Once Upon a Time, Trillium Vein is even on YouTube, all 39 minutes of it. It is a strange fantasy musical that I think Tim Kaine may enjoy. And there she is, right there in the foreground. That is Brennan. So I even took it one step further, and I let some software do some photo comparison, and twinsornot.net gave her a 76% chance of being the same person. Now, don't forget that in between the Town Hall and the time that this movie was produced was 2 to 4 years. So she was probably 11 or 12, and now she's 15. Now that we've gathered this information, we can go back to the Town Hall and show you a few technical screw-ups.
When we were in Arkansas, she fought for early education.
So Brennan first appears in the Town Hall video at 18 minutes and 9 seconds. But after rewatching it, I noticed that she actually shows up at 16 minutes and 11 seconds. This is probably a camera test and, some sort of cue to let her know you need to be ready. Of course, if the participants were chosen at random, why is the camera ready to go 2 minutes before she asks her question? All right, she's getting ready to come up for her 2-minute warning, and you can see that she appears very nervous. All right. Two things happen here. This is where Elizabeth Banks pretends to randomly pick somebody from the audience. And I noticed that they tagged Brennan with a red bow. That way Elizabeth could uniquely identify her. And then second, Hillary quickly reminds Brennan that she needs a microphone.
How about you with a little red bow first? How you doing? Hi.
And I think there'll be a microphone coming right to you.
In addition to everything else, Brennan is the only participant that is reading something from a piece of paper.
I see with my own eyes the damage Donald Trump does when he talks about women and how they look. As the first female president, how would you understand?
And here's the top keck of them all. Hillary pretends to be surprised by her question.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Wow. I am so proud of you for asking that question, and I think both Chelsea and I would like to say something about this.
How does she know Chelsea wants to say something about this? Because the question was fabricated and you knew it was coming. I would just like to say, this is my own personal opinion, that Brennan Leach did an amazing job. She is an amazing actress. She is an amazing young woman. She did what she was supposed to. I mean, when the Secretary of State, the Democratic nominee for president, comes to you and asks you to do this very important thing, you're not going to say no. Brennan is not at fault here. But, the adults in her life that told her this was okay. I don't agree with that. Also, while investigating this, I thought to myself, somebody else has noticed this. So I did a Google search for child actor Brennan. I found a thread on the Donald where a Redditor named You'll Read This actually found it himself and found a piece of information that I didn't find, and that is Brennan's father is Dalen Leach, the Democratic member of the Pennsylvania State Senate. So there you go. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and send me a message or comment. Thank you.